In the world of construction contracts, clarity, coordination, and control are everything. Nowhere is this more true than under a JCT design and build contract, one of the most widely used standard forms in the UK. At the heart of every JCT contract lie three essential documents, each one powerful on its own, but only truly effective when working in harmony. And these are: number 1, the contract sum analysis, or CSA; number 2, the employee's requirements, or ERs; and number 3, the contractor's proposals, or CPs. Together they form what I call the Holy Trinity. Let's break them down, what they are, why they matter, and how to keep them aligned. But before we do, at Metroun we help you get the basics right, drafting, reviewing, and aligning JCT contracts so your project starts on solid ground. Visit our website to see how we can help you. Okay, on with the first one, the employer's requirements, or the vision. The employer's requirements lay out what the employer expects from the contractor. Think of this document as the client's brief. It defines the scope, performance criteria, design intent, and project constraints. Key elements for strong ER include scope of works and performance outputs, site and logistical constraints, key program dates, and quality standards and regulations to be met. Good ERs provide clarity, consistency, and a benchmark in which tenders can be evaluated. Weak ERs, on the other hand, or worse, vague ones, leave room for misinterpretation and dispute. And in design and build contracts, performance-based ERs are particularly important. They allow the contractor flexibility in design while holding them to a measurable outcome. Now onto the contractor's proposals, or the offer. The contractor's proposals are the contractor's official response to the ERs. They show how the contractor intends to meet the employer's requirements, from design approach to construction methodology, and everything in between. CPs typically include drawings and design narrative, proposed program and sequence, method statements, assumptions, exclusions, and clarifications. The CPs form a contractual commitment, not just a set of ideas. If the contractor's interpretations of the ERs differ, those differences should be clearly recorded and agreed before contract execution. Which brings us on to the contract sum analysis. This is the financial backbone of the project. The CSA is the contractor's detailed breakdown of the agreed contract sum. It transforms a single figure into a structured line-by-line summary of costs across work elements or packages. Its main purpose? To support valuations and payments. Every interim application, every cash flow forecast, every cost report relies on this document. But it's not just a commercial tool, it's also a risk management project as well. A well-structured CSA should provide transparency for project stakeholders, form a basis of assessing variations, and help track actual versus forecasted expenditure. However, the CSA is not a scope-defining document. If the contractor fails to price an item in the CSA, but it's required in the ERs or CPs, it must be delivered. This is a common misconception and a common source for disputes. Now let's look at the importance of alignment. Each of these documents play a different role. The ERs define the what, the CPs define the how, and the CSA defines the how much. When they align, you get a clear, coordinated contract, one where expectations, delivery methods, and budgets are all on the same page. But when they don't, you open the door to a misunderstood scope, disputes over quality or compliance, and disagreements over payment entitlement. That's why early coordination and careful cross-checking are essential before contract signature. This Holy Trinity, the CSA, the ERs, and the CPs, are more than just an administrative requirement. They are the foundation on which your entire project rests. Treat them with the attention they deserve. Review them in parallel, keep them aligned. Because when they work together, projects run smoother. When they don't, someone ends up footing the bill. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.